Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah. So see, if you are the Java developer, then if you are good in the Java, then easily you can understand Spring framework, right? If you want to become good in the Angular, then by default, if you are good in the TypeScript, then Angular is nothing for you, right? Same like if you want to become good in the DevOps, then what is the mandatory to know that, guys? Linux. If you are good in the Linux, then easily you can run the command in the DevOps. So first, what is that? Again and again, even again, same. Again, I'm telling what is that? Fundamental never change, guys. Okay, never change. If you are good in the fundamental, whatever critical task, if you are getting right, those things will become easy for you. Those things will become easy for you. So that is the reason focus on fundamental. If you don't know ABCD, then you cannot write apple. Clear? No one is responding.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Yes, yes.
So that is the reason. That is the reason I'm saying that what is that? Every time focus on what is that? Fundamental, basic. See, lot of time we are expanding in the TypeScript, guys. Okay, our background is too good. If your background is too strong now, then learning Angular is nothing. Learning Angular is nothing for you people. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Now,
Yes.
and see, we are spending good amount of time in the TypeScript, guys. No one, right? No one will explain, or anyone can in the market also pay the money. Whom, whatever teacher is there, if you are thinking about that, this teacher in the market very extraordinary, right? Pay for them and learn from them. See and compare my content and compare my subject with them. Then you will find what is the difference, as well as what is it's not meaning that what is that for the market sake I'm teaching. If you are working in the company, right, day to day, if except whatever concept I'm explaining, every concept will be the useful for you in the industry, guys, right? So everyone see, so that is the reason fundamental never change. Whenever you are getting the time, spend with the core concept more and more time, right? If you are good in the core, right, then high level things is nothing for you, guys. Okay, even though today also, what is that, even today also I'm in this position of this company, but still I'm studying what is that, 6th class 7th class mathematics. Why? 6th class, 7th class, 8th class mathematics every time. Like whenever I'm getting the time, I'm taking the pen and paper, and I'm taking the 6th or 7th class books, and whatever questions is there, whatever mathematics questions is there, those questions I'm resolving. So that is the reason success mantra is nothing but learn how much you can spend the time with what is that core concept, with what is that logical. That much you are strong in the industry. That much you are strong in the industry, guys. Right now, let's begin our discussion now. Let's start our discussion now. Now, what is that? What we are going to do now? Next, let's develop our what? Sorry, where we are now, guys. Now, how can we use this model in another component? How we can use this model in another component? Now, answer is you can access, and use the properties, right? Property by importing the model. Now, how we are importing now, guys? How, if we want to import this, what is that interface in another class, then how we will import it now? Now see this, guys. Syntax is what is that? Syntax is what? Syntax is what is that? We will take import keyword. What is that? We already taken the import na. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Now
Yes, Ravi.
import. I'm taking what is that? Import. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Whatever module name is there. What is the module name? iProduct na?
Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
product.
iProduct. That iProduct we will pass in this open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Inside open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Then what we will take it now? From. We will take what is that? From. Now from. Now what is that? After from, what we will do it now? What we will do it now? We will take what is that? Double quotes, and we will give the path of that. What is that? That location, that file location. What is the location now, guys? This location is what is that? It's there in the contract now. Contract library.
Yes.
Just
Library
we are
contract.
using in the
Library
component.
contract.
We are using in the component. Then what is that? Dot slash dot. We will take slash. What is that? Contract. Then we will give what is that? Product, that file name. So then what is that? At runtime, our location, and then our compiler will go in that location, and then what is that? It will take that. What is that? Contract. It will take that contract, right? So now the conclusion is how we can achieve these things now. How we are achieving in the TypeScript these things. Already we installed what is that? Node.js now. Node.js, so no need to install explicitly any plugins or anything, guys. Okay, anything. So modules are not supported. Modules are not support. What is that? Support on every machine. You need to install. You need to install module system. What are those module system now, guys? What are those module system? Now only I said na common JS, right? Common JS. Another one is what? Another one is required JS. Required JS. Another one is what is that? Another one is
UMD.
UMD is nothing but what is that? Universal module distribution, right? Distribution. Now another one is what? Another one is what is that? AMD is nothing but what is that? Asynchronous module distribution. Asynchronous module distribution. By using this tool only we are achieving these things now. By using these things only we are achieving what is that? Importing the one file to another file. But the thing is, already we installed the node. So we don't need to, because these things is coming in inbuilt in the Node.js, guys. So we don't need to install explicitly. But if you are simply using JavaScript and all those things, there you need to install some plugins. Then only you can achieve it. Right? But here, what is that? Directly we are working in the Node.js. So we don't need to install any plugin, right? Now based on that, let's design one template. Template is nothing but abstract class. So abstract class, where we will design it now, guys, in the template folder. Just before starting abstract, I said that now abstract class only in the TypeScript we are saying template. Come on, friends.
Template. Yes.
Abstract class only we are saying that template or not. Come on.
Yes.
Now
Ravi.
here what we are going to do now? Now we are going to declare what is that? One template now, guys. We are going to declare one template now. So template, now this is the interface, right? This is the interface. Now what is the template? In the template, if we are implementing, see, class to class, right? Class to class. Now class if a super class is what is that? Class. And a child class also class only. Class only. Then which keyword we will use it now, guys? We will use extend keyword. We will use what is that? Extend.
Extend.
We will use what is that? Extend keyword. Extend keyword. We will use what is that? Extend keyword. If super class is what is that? Interface. And a child class is what is that? Class. Then which keyword we will use it now, friends? Then which keyword we will use it now?
Implements. Implements.
Yeah. We will use what is that? Implement. Implements, right? We will use what is that? Implements. Same like if interface is there and interface is there, then which keyword we will use it now, guys? Which keyword?
Extend keyword.
Extend keyword. Extends keyword, right? Extends keyword. Now here what I'm going to do now? I'm going to create what is that? One abstract class. I'm going to use what is that? I'm going to create one abstract class. Now how we will create it now, guys? How we will create it now? Now in the template folder, let's go inside the template folder. In the template folder, what we will do it now? Let's take product template. Some noise is happening. I don't know. Please, like if in your background noise is happening, guys, please mute yourself because it's disturbing the session now. So template, right? Template. I'm taking what is that? Template. I'm taking what is that? Template. Sorry, template.ts. It will be the template.ts, right? Template.ts file. I'm writing what is that? Template.ts. Here what I'm taking now? I'm taking abstract keyword. I'm taking class, abstract class. I'm taking what is that? Product template. Product template, right? Product template. This is the product template. Then what is that? I want to implement which one? I want to implement iProduct inside that abstract. Then how we will implement it now, guys? Then here we will use what is that? Implement keyword. We will use what is that? Implements keyword, and then iProduct, right? iProduct, we will extend it. Yeah, so when I imported, then what is that? On the top of what is that? Import statement is came by default or not? Our ID only imported, right? Our ID only imported or not? So here what is that? Component name is nothing but contract name from ... means what is that? It's coming back and it's going in different folder. Means which folder this iProduct is there? In the contract folder this product is there or not? Come on. Contract is there in which folder now, friends? Contract. And what is the name of that contract? What is the iProduct. In the Java, how we are importing? This is called import statement in the TypeScript. This is called in the TypeScript import statement, friends. Right? But those are the abstract method. Now here we need to like what is that? We need to give what is that? Implementation of that what abstract abstract properties are not in the abstract class, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Right? So now what I'm taking now, let's take public. What is the name now? What is the name we taken now, guys? What is the name? Name, price, quantity, total, and print is there, right? Now we need to take here in this file. Now we need to take those things in the file now. So name I'm taking, right? Name I'm taking. Let's take string, right? Let's take string. Now here we need to give some property names, right? Property data also, right? Property data I'm giving now empty. Now I'm giving empty only. String, that name I'm giving empty. Now I'm taking what is that? Public. Now price I'm taking what is that? Price. That is the number type now. Number type I'm storing 0 value, right? Now I'm storing what is that? 0 value. Another one is what? Let's take public let's take public, another one is what is that? Quantity. I'm taking what is that? Quantity. Quantity also let's take 0, right? Let's take 0. Now another one is what is that? Public. I'm taking what is that? Public. Abstract, that is what? Now simple, if we take that again, right, it will give the problem. It will give what is that? Problem. That is, then we will take abstract and total. Now total abstract method, right? Here in the abstract class, if we are taking what is that? Any overriding contract, right? Then we need to take what is that? With that, we need to declare that method as a abstract only, right? Abstract only. Another one is what is that? Public. I'm taking what is that? Abstract. Public, I'm taking what is that? Abstract. Now print method. Print method, that is the return type is what is that? Void. Now here what I taken now, guys? What I taken now? I taken here what is that? I taken in which folder now? In which folder? Template, right?
Template.
That folder name is what is that? Template.
Yes.
Template, right? Template. In the template folder, what we are taking now? We are taking product template. Product template, right? Product template. We are taking what is that? Product template. Now in this product template, how many property we taken now, guys? We taken again, we taken those property. Name property, which is what is that? String now, which is string only, Now price, we taken what is that? Price, that is number type, right? That is number type. Now again we taken what is that? Quantity, right? Quantity, that is also number type, right? That is also number type. Then again we taken what is that? Total. Again we taken what is that? Total number, that is also return type as a number only. And again we taken what is that? Print, right? Print, that return type is what is that? Void. These, yeah, these things is there. Yeah, these things is there. Yeah, these things is there. And here what we are doing now? Which relation we are establishing now using the implement keyword? Is a relation we are establishing or not between these two component, guys? Come on.
Yeah,
Is a relation, right? Is a relation we are establishing, right? So now this component is completed, guys. This component also we completed now. Come on, we completed this component also. Now here we imported also, right? We imported also. Now next component, what we will do it now, guys? Next component, let's develop it. Next component is what is that? It's a implementation class. Let's write what is that? Both contract and a template implementation class. That implementation class, where we will write it now, guys? In the component folder, right? Now let's take one file here. What is the file now? But the thing is, guys, this one will not visible outside. Then what we will make it now to visible? This what is that component? How we can make this template visible for outside now?
Export.
Why are you using export?
Why I'm getting only two people only continuously? These people only. What is that active? See, same on you people, right? Same on you people. Our lady sees what is that? Manjulata having the kid also. Just think about it. She is giving proper response. What about you guys? See, I'm not saying that Manjula, but see, her having the kid also. She is maintaining that kid responsibility as well as what is that? She is active in the session also. And what about you guys? Don't increase the counting number in the session, guys. Okay, I don't want. If one person is serious, that is enough for me. Just now I completed, right? Just now I said, right? Here what I said now, by making the export, what we will do it now? It will visible outside also, na?
Yes.
Then why, Then why you guys are not responding? Instance response I need, guys. Instance respond I need. Otherwise, sorry for that. I'm not good for you people. I'm really, really not good for you people, and you are there in the wrong place. Then respond it. If you are, if I'm spending time with you people, means what? I need response. If you're not giving the response, sorry for that. I will remove directly.
Okay.
So just only one
Yes,
thing. Every time I'm saying the respond it, then why you guys are not? If you are not understanding what is that, then tell me now. I'm not understanding what is that. I'm asking what we will write to make the this class visible outside. Then simple. You said not. You tell export. By using the export keyword, we can make it.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, Ravikant.
Continuously, if you speak 3 asana, then you will think about that where your brain. Silently, you guys are listening, and every time, what is that? Don't make me angry, guys. Don't make me angry. Respond it. If you're not having the capability to respond in that session, sorry for that. Don't join. Don't join. One person is enough for me. If that person is serious about anything, right? If that person is serious, that is enough for me. Okay, now let's start it. Now, if we want to make this component as a visible, then what we will use it now, guys? We will use export, right? Export.
Export.
We will use what is that?
Export.
Yeah, by
Export.
using export, we can make this component as a visible to outside also, right? Outside also now. Okay, now fine, guys. Now let's develop what is that component. Component. What is the component now? What is our component now, guys? Product component. Product component, right? Product component dot ts. Product component dot ts now. Product component dot ts now. Now fine, guys. Now fine. Here, what we will take it now? Now class implementation. I'm going to give it now, guys. Now product component. Product component, right? Now here, what is that? Now if abstract class is there, if abstract class is there, if abstract class is there and a class is there, then how we will establish the relation now, guys? How we will establish the relation? Which keyword we will use it now? Tell me.
Extends keyword.
Extend.
Extend keyword.
Manjulata, now give last, like let them to give answer, because I want to know that by listening your like what is that answer they are repeating. They are depending on you. If you are giving that, means that answer is correct. Let's repeat it. Now okay, now let's discuss it about what is that extend, because abstract is a class only. Abstract also internally class only, interface also class only, but the thing is their implement keyword we are using, and if abstract and class in relations is there, then what is that extend keyword we are using, right? Extend keyword we are using. Now here we are going to give the implementation, right? Here we are going to give what is that implementation. Now this is just assume that this is the template class. Sorry, this is what is, yeah, component class. This is the component class. Here also we are establishing which relation now? Is a relation. Who is the
is a relation.
just think about that, guys. Who is the creating UML diagram in the TypeScript? No one. If I'm teaching, utilize it properly. If you give the answer, then I will explain more and more depth, right? And these things, if you know that now, once you will, and if you are developing any project, that is nothing but for you. These are the architect level I'm explaining. These are the not ordinary things I'm explaining, right? By paying the money in the institution, you will not get this kind of things, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Architect level things, and real time word things I'm explaining to you people, right? Explaining to you people. Just utilize it, give the proper answer, proper result. If I'm getting from you, then I will deliver the content. Otherwise, I will escape it. This is not a warning, this is the clarity. Right now, here what I'm doing now, I'm taking what is that product component. Here I'm using what is that extends keyword. Now let's say product component. No, sorry, product template. Now let's import what is that product template, right? Product template, and here import statement is coming by default, right? Import statement is coming by default now. Now, if we want to make this class also visible outside, then what we will do it now, friends?
Export.
Yeah, very good.
Export keyword.
Export keyword, right? We will use what is that? Export keyword. We will use what is that? Export keyword. Now let's give implementation of what is that? All property as well as a method, as well as what is that? Method now, guys. Method now. Now here what I'm doing now? Let's take name. Let's take name property, right? Name. Let's take name. Now in the name, what I'm doing now? Name, that is a string. Name, right? Now let's store LG. Now store LG. Now another one is what is that? Let's take price. Now let's take, why suggestion is not coming? Okay, no issues. Public, let's take public, let's take price, right? Price. Now price, what is that? How much? Let's take 46,000 into something, right? This is the price of what is that? Let's take LG brand. Price is this one only, right? Now quantity, how much quantity you want? Let's take 2 quantity, right? Let's take 2 quantity, or let's take public quantity, right? Quantity, how much quantity you want? Let's take 2 quantity, right? 2 quantity. Now I want to take the total. Suggestion isn't coming. Okay. Public total, right? Public total. Return type is number only, right? Number only. So now here what I'm doing now? Return current object. How we are presenting now, guys? Already we learned. Just tell me.
This.
How? Very good. This, right?
Yes.
This. Now
This dot price.
now let's take quantity. Quantity
Price.
multiplied
Quantity.
by this dot.
This dot
Price.
Price, right? This dot price. This dot price. Now I print method also we taken, right? Print method also we taken. Now what is that? Let's take public print method, right? Print method. Now let's print it. Console dot log. Console dot log. Now here what we will do it now, guys? Let's take name, right? Name. Let's print the name, right? Name, dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close
open
curly bracket, slash n. Now, yeah. So current class property I want to print it. Then we will take this keyword.
This dot name.
This dot name. Now another one is what is that? Now let's take price, right? Price. Now dollar open curly bracket. Now again
Price.
this dot what is that? Price. This dot price. Now fine, friends. Slash n, right? Slash n. Now again what I'm taking now? Let's take quantity, right? Now let's take quantity. Now dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now this dot quantity, right? This dot what is that? Quantity. Now quantity. After then what we will do it now? We will call total method. It will return total also. We want what is that? Total also. Then what is that? Then
Total equal to,
yeah.
call the
Now total. We will call what is that? Total, right? Total equal to now.
total method.
Now open curly bracket, close curly bracket, present these things with the dollar. Now this dot we will call which method now? Total.
Total.
Total method.
Total method, right? So now we are printing now, guys. We are printing now. What is the flow of this one now? What is the flow of this one now, guys? First we wrote contract now.
Contract interface.
Contract. We wrote contract and implementation.
Then template.
and implemented in abstract.
Then
Implementation or implement. Implement, right? Implements, right?
Yes.
Implements. What we implements now? Template. Template, right?
template.
Template. We implements what is that? Templates. We implements what is that? Templates. In the templates, what we implement now, guys? What we extends now? Extends. We extends what is that? Component. Component. What is that? We extends component. This like that only we developed or not? Like that we develop, like that only we developed now? Come on.
Yes.
Now what we will do it now? Now come inside that application. Come inside that. Let's run this one. Let's run this one. Then what is that? In the application, we will take one index index.ts. We will take what is that? One index.ts. Once we will take the index.ts, then what we will do it now? What we will do it now? We taken the export or not in the component. Yeah, export is there. Export is there. If export is not there, then issue will be there. Issue will be there now. Issue will be there, right? Now here what I'm going to do now? I'm going to create the object of what? I'm going to create the object of component, right? I'm going to create the object of what is that? Component. Then how we will create it now? Let's take TV. Let's take TV. New. What is that? Product component is there now. Product component is there, and it is imported here. It is imported here, right? It is imported. I'm creating the object now, and what I'm doing now? TV dot. Let's call print method. Let's call print method, right? Let's call print method. Once we will call the print method, because we written the logic inside that product template. Sorry. Product complete print method only. I want to print this data now. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Now let's compile it. CLS. What I'm going to do now? Now I'm taking what? Now I'm taking what is that? Node ts index t, right? tsc index.ts. Okay. Error. File index not found. The file is in the program because root file is specified for a compilation.
Inside going to app. Index it there inside app.
Yeah. Okay, good. Sorry, guys. So what we will do it now? SRC is there now.
You are
We
in
are
the
there.
SSL.
We are there in the SRC, but we need to go inside that. What is that? We
App
need to
folder.
Application folder.
we know to
Inside app you are going.
cd.
Paste dot.
We came
Yeah.
in that. Now cd change the directory as a
Library.
library, right? Library. We came in the library folder. Now cd again, in which folder we need to go? App folder. Now we came in the
Now
app
run.
folder. Now tsc now index dot ts. Now compile.
Yes.
Okay, what is the error now? File C
Import file.
not
C.
module, not a module. It's saying that file is a not a module, right? Import I product, right? It's saying that this file is not a module. Found one template error. Okay. We are not at all saving, right? Not at all saving. Now come here. Now compiled or not?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Compiled, right?
Compiled.
Now
Yeah.
node Now
Yes,
node dot what is that? Index
Index.
dot ts. Now run.
Yes, yes.
yes, not yes, not yes.
Yes, yes, it is.
Now we are getting the name is ALG, price is 46,000 and the quantity is 2 and the total is 92,000 or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
yes.
So here what we are achieving with that one now, modularity, we are a model system. By taking the help of model system, we are achieving the modularity or not in the project.
Yes.
So
Yes, yes.
whenever we will start our what Angular app, Angular coding, right? Every day we will deal like that only. Our Angular file system structure is like that only, guys. Like that only. Component will be there. Contract folder will be there. Application app folder will be there. This one only we will learn in the TypeScript. Sorry, in Angular. Nothing extra things we will learn, right? So based on that, one more very important concept we completed. What is that? Model system, guys. Model system. Now how I explain this one, guys? How I explain this concept? Now think about it. Teacher will not teach you this one if until unless the teacher is not a real-time person, right? Only these things we are learning in industry. If we are dealing with the project, if we are dealing any project, then only this kind of knowledge will be there. Any comment for from anyone, guys, for my explanation or anything else?
Superb, Ravi. Today I'm the first day, Ravi.
Hmm?
Today is my first day. That was very explained, superb, Ravi.
Who's that?
Live classes. I was seen in YouTube in
Yeah.
Spring Boot classes. It was simply superb, Ravi. And the live Zoom classes. And that today
You
I
are
will
joining
understand
first
more.
day.
Yes, Ravi. Tomorrow onwards and after the classes, I will attempt daily
Okay.
because
So morning tomorrow no, only Angular session is there in the weekend only, right? Saturday, Sunday only. So morning my project batch is going on 7 to 8 o'clock. 7 to 8 o'clock, right? That is the near about 1 month will take to complete that one. That now I'm planning that one more things, guys. DevOps, let's start in the weekend only, right? Start weekend in 9 to 8 initially. Then once we settled, right, then we will start in the weekdays also. Just only one things, guys. I'm planning to start DevOps, but the thing is, don't expect with me DevOps session will be the what is that? Maybe in weekend some days I can what is that not take the session also, because you know in that office time also will be there. Continuously I will not take DevOps in the 9 to 10. 9 to 10, but let's initially what is that slowly let's start DevOps. Once our project will complete, right, that batch we will move in the morning 7 to 8 o'clock. 7 to 8 o'clock, this is my plan, guys, because before learning the DevOps we need to learn what Linux. If we don't know Linux, if we don't know Linux, then we cannot understand DevOps, right? Then we cannot understand DevOps, right? So now let's stop our discussion here itself only, guys. Still some more concept is there, today we cannot. So what I'm planning now, Saturday we will complete, and Sunday we will start Angular. In the next week we will complete on the Sunday generic type, as well as what is that namespace, as well as what is that another one is what generic namespace, and one more concept is left. Which concept I forgot? Dependency injection is there. Dependency injection, namespace, generics, and enum. This concept is there. That one will complete. What is that? That one will complete Saturday itself only, guys. Saturday itself only, and Sunday onward we will start what Angular. And if any friends is interested to learn Angular, inform them, right? Inform them. So
Okay, Ravi.
that's all for
Okay,
the
Ravi.
day, guys. That's all for the day. We will meet next weekend. Bye, guys.
Yeah, Ravikant,
Thank you.
hi Ravi.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hi, Ravi.
Can you share this